you're kneeling to the hour, and you're doubting, you'll give her power. And when you're ready for her mercy, and you're worthy, it will. When you're sleeping round the back door for her mercy, and your word